Hey guys, how you guys doing? So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I made a video ad that was able to generate $2.1 million in sales, basically convincing over 40,000 people to go ahead and purchase my product. Now there's a lot to it when it comes to getting $2.1 million in sales in such a short amount of time. But for this store, I strongly believe it was a video ad that was able to convince over 40,000 people to buy this product in that amount of time. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you where I found the video, how I took inspiration from it, and basically how I edited the video to make it look really nice. So before we begin, I'm going to go ahead and do a refresh check so you guys can see everything is legit here. And now that you guys believe me, you can see that we started around 3.5K in sales. Obviously, I didn't go all the way back, but you can see the most highest day in this store was 66K in sales. And for this store, the profit margin was around 25% margins. So we made a little bit of money with this store. But since now you guys believe me, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I found the inspiration for my video ad. So it all starts right here in Facebook ads library. What you want to do is go ahead and click United States, click all ads, and for the keywords, you can search up anything you want, but I'm going to go ahead and start off with shop now. So once you go on Facebook ads library and search up shop now or any keywords you like, it could be free shipping, it could be 50% off, any keywords. What you want to do is actually go to filters, and we're going to filter out just videos only. So today I'm going to teach you how to edit videos and not images, because images, in my opinion, do not convert that well on Facebook. It's usually videos that convert the best. You're going to go ahead and click apply one filter. Now that we're on Facebook ads library and we have the video filter set out, Facebook's going to show us all the ads out there that are videos. And what I like to do is that when I see a product in a thumbnail, I go ahead and click on it and see what their website looks like. So I click see ad details and I click learn more. I go ahead and click learn more, and you can see this is their website. I copy the URL, and you can see that I use this tool called Shop Hunter. Now, if you don't know what Shop Hunter is, you are missing out big time, because Shop Hunter basically shows what the store is doing in revenue. So you can kind of tell if the store is doing good or not. And Shop Hunter is a really good tool. I use it. All my students use it. Everyone in my Discord basically uses Shop Hunter. Now, I'm not sponsored by Shop Hunter in any way, but I was able to ask the owner for a 25% off discount for any new users lifetime. So if you want, go ahead and check the link in the description down below for 25% off. The code is called Prime. So you have to use the code at checkout. It's called Prime, Prime. Now you're probably wondering, hey, why is the code called Prime? If you didn't know, my Discord is called Prime Cord, so that's why the discount code is called Prime. I basically show you how I scale the store from $0 to $2 million in revenue, and I basically show everything around it. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and join my Discord down below, but let's get back to the video. So I basically plug in the shop into Shop Hunter, and it's going to tell me exactly what the store is doing. As you can see, the store only got one sale today at $34.99, which means it is not selling that well. So now that we untracked the store, I'm going to go ahead and find another store that's selling something as well. And you can see right here, here's another video ad. I'm going to go ahead and click see ad details, and you can see there's a product right here. We're going to go ahead and click shop now. We're going to copy this and see how well this website is doing. So I'm adding shop now, and as you can see, Shop Hunter is figuring stuff out, but it's going to be able to show us exactly how much revenue this store is doing. And it's very helpful because you don't want to run a product that someone's not doing revenue in. And as you can see, this product is not doing that well. It's only making $100 a day, and sometimes it goes to $1,000, but it's not really doing that well. It's really inconsistent, actually. And we're going to go ahead and untrack this store as well. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because video ads is such a big part of selling the product. That's the first thing people see on their timeline before they go into your website and buy your product. So you have to convince them really well with a video ad. And the reason why we're looking for winning stores or finding stores that are doing revenue is because we kind of want to copy their ad and how their ad is doing, because if their ad is doing a good job of convincing customers, that means their ad format is really great. So we're going to keep scrolling until we find something. All right, so after a few minutes of searching, you can see right here that I found this website called Uproot Clean. And let's go ahead and go to their Shop Hunter. So I'm in their Shop Hunter now, and you can see they are doing numbers. They're doing around $30,000 to almost $50,000 every single day. That means a lot of people are tuning in and buying this product. The reason why? Their ad video is probably really good. So we're going to go ahead and go back and watch their ad video to see what we can learn from that video.
Forget about lint rollers. They're useless, messy, and bad for the planet. But if you want something that'll actually make your home hair-free, you need to try Uproot Cleaner Pro. This incredible tool is like a lint roller on steroids. No more sticky paper, and it's so satisfying to use that you'll be hooked from the first swipe. Uproot Cleaner Pro works on any non-knitted fabric, from carpets and rugs to clothes and furniture. It even works on pets. Don't let your furry friends ruin your style. Get Uproot Cleaner Pro today and see the difference for yourself.
All right, now that we finished the video, I can really clearly see why customers are buying this product. We're gonna go ahead and analyze the video. So the first 5 seconds, what they had was a hook. Now this is called a hook because they're basically hooking the customer's attention. They're like, hey, forget about lint rollers. Why? I've been using lint rollers all my life. They've been working great. Why should I forget about them? So that's the hook, and it's gonna bring the customer in to watch your video. Now after the hook, what they did was place a lot of things that shows you how the product works, and a lot of customer reviews, a lot of different angles, a lot of different clips. They basically had a bunch of clips together and try to convince you why this product is good for you. So they keep showing you that, and they basically show off the features, saying that it removes fur, it removes the lint, it even helps out with your pets and their fur. But the last thing they did was include a CTA. A CTA is called a call to action, and that basically says shop now. So basically after all of that, brings the customer back into it and be like, hey, remember, this is not just a regular video, this is an advertisement. So go ahead and buy this product if you really want to. And it says right there, shop now. So that is a really good format, and a format that everyone can learn from. It basically starts with number 1, a hook, a reason for the customer to watch the video. Number 2 is going to be a bunch of mixed up clips and customer reviews, and basically a bunch of ways that the product is being used. And then we're going to end it with a CTA. And that's basically all you need to create a really good looking ad. Now, the next part of this is that we're going to go ahead and recreate this ad as best as we can. We're not going to make it perfect because to be honest, this video is probably made by a professional, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to go ahead and recreate this video ourselves in the best way that we can, and that will still convert. All we have to do is copy what they did: hook, customer clips, and then CTA. Here in this next step, we're basically going on TikTok to see if we can find any reviews of this product. And if there are reviews of this product, we're going to go ahead and download them. If you don't know already, there's a tool called SnapTik. It's going to be in the description down below. But what it does is that it downloads TikTok videos without the watermark. And that's basically something we need now. And as you can see while we're scrolling down, a lot of people are making videos about lint rollers, but it's not the product that we're looking for. The product we're looking for has a handle and it has a metal scraping in front of, on top of it. So we're going to keep scrolling down until we find somebody using the exact same product as that video. Here, I just found somebody that is basically using this product in their video, and they're basically showing us a review. It's a 1 minute long video. Now, we don't need all the clips. We only need some of the clips. And good thing he shows his face, because the majority of the time, you actually want a customer showing their face with the product. That basically helps customers decide whether or not they want to buy it, because there's a real human behind that camera recommending them a product that they probably want to buy. So we're going to go ahead and take this video right here. We're going to copy it. We're going to SnapTik. We're going to paste it here. We're going to click download. It's going to give us an ad, but we're going to go ahead. Oh, I guess they didn't give me an ad, but we're going to go ahead and click download right now. And then there's the ad right there. But once you see this ad, you click X and it's going to download the video for you in the bottom left. So what I like to do is I actually want to find clips, around 5 to 6 clips of this product being used. So what I'm going to do is keep scrolling and keep downloading. I just found another video. Now this video has 4.5 million views. That means just organically, this product is pretty good because this person was able to convince 4.5 million people to continue watching her video. So you see this one right here. I'm also going to go ahead and copy this. Go to SnapTik. You want to go ahead and click download other video. And we're going to download this video as well. So now we're scrolling down. We already have 2 videos. We basically have to find around 3 or 4 more, but I'll keep you guys updated when I go ahead and find the rest. So I just found another video of the product being used, and you can see right here is a really good example of how this product is being used. It shows you a thing right here with a lot of fur, and it's basically taking the fur off of that thing. Excuse me if I don't know what that thing is. I'm pretty sure all you cat owners definitely know what it is. Unfortunately, I do not. So we're going to go ahead and copy this video. We're also going to go ahead and click download other video and save it as well. This is video number 4, I believe, and you can see right here, their caption is losing faith in Dyson after this show. They're basically promoting the product really well because they're like, hey, you know how Dyson's a really good vacuum brand? They're like, vacuuming is not enough because look at this. This itself could probably be a video ad, but we're going to go ahead and download this and use it in our customer clips. So this is one of the videos I just found, and it shows you this person is trying out this lint roller. What we're going to do is basically download this one as well. There is basically nothing left for us to do but download this one, and we're going to go ahead and start editing the video to make our video ad. So if you didn't know already, TikTok has its own video ad creating platform. It's called Capcut. It's basically a free video editor that you can go ahead and edit yourself. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my editing headphones. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. So a video editor of my choice, a very simple video editor, is something called Capcut. So you can go to capcut.com or the link is in the description. But yeah, I use this video editor because it's very simple to use. Unlike all those other programs out there, I basically just want to go ahead and edit the video and launch these ads. So the very first thing I'm going to do is actually go ahead and import the video ad that we first saw. The reason why we want this is because the video ad, I really like their voiceover. So I'm going to go ahead and let it play for a few seconds so you know exactly what I'm talking about.
This incredible tool is like a lint roller on steroids. No more sticky paper.
So I really like that about it. So we're not going to go ahead and use their videos because then they're already running it and Facebook kind of knows when they're using the videos or not. But what we're going to do is actually use their audio, because now we can match our clips with their audio. So what you want to do to split the audio and the video is you want to right click, click separate audio, and now you have a different video and you have a different audio. And what we're going to do first is just delete the video, and now we just have the audio. So if I remember correctly, the hook was forget about lint rollers, but we're gonna go ahead and play it again to see if I'm correct or not.
Lint rollers. They're useless, messy, and bad for the planet.
So that is the hook right there, and we want to find a video of someone using a lint roller and it's not really working. So I already did my homework because I went to TikTok. I already found this guy right here. He is trying to lint roll his car. This poor man, he has so much fur in his car. As you can see right here, he cannot use his lint roller because it's clearly not working. Now, I thought it would be hilarious to have this hook instead of the hook that they were using, which is just a t-shirt. But I personally think this hook is better because it makes more sense for the average owner of a dog to be buying this product, because obviously there's a lot of fur in their car. So what I did was I went to Snaptic, I went ahead and downloaded this video, and I already uploaded it right here. We're going to go ahead and drag it down. As you can see, it has its own audio as well. We're not going to be using his audio, so what you want to do is separate it and delete the audio that it came from. So now you can see in the beginning.
Forget about lint rollers.
So you see right here, it kind of matches perfectly. The audio is saying forget about lint rollers, while this guy is showing you a lint roller. And let's keep going to edit this video.
Useless, messy, and bad for the planet.
Alright, so it says useless, messy, and bad for the planet. Now that's how I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this old guy's clip right here and basically show that lint roller is not really working on his car. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right here, split, but we're going to go ahead and go back here. So now that the thing is split, what you want to do is split it again to where he's trying to use it. Now we're going to go ahead and delete the middle part, and you can see right here, it should match up perfectly.
Forget about lint rollers. They're useless, messy, and bad for the planet.
You can see right here, he's literally trying to lint roller, but it's not working. So that is the hook right there. So now that was a great hook. Now people are gonna go watch this because they're like, oh hey, I tried using lint roller on my car, it didn't work. But now we're gonna go ahead and transition them to the customer reviews that we were downloading on TikTok. So I uploaded a few of the TikTok videos that we downloaded, and the very first one I think I'm going to use is probably this girl right here, because she's basically showing the product and showing it working. So we're going to go ahead and drag it here, and you can see it's a pretty long video. We're not going to use all of it, but that's completely fine. And the next thing we're going to do is separate the audio, because obviously we don't want to use her audio here as well.
But if you want something that'll actually make your home hair free.
So you can see right here, she's basically talking to the camera, and we're going to go ahead and skip to a clip of the product actually working. We're going to go ahead and click split, and you can see right here we did a split. We're going to go right here, and basically this is where she shows the product is working. We're going to split it again, and we're going to go ahead and delete the middle part, and now it's going to clip, and now it basically skips to basically the product working.
Hair free. You need to try Uproot Cleaner Pro. This incredible tool is...
So these videos are kind of getting too long right now. We have 5 videos that we have to edit. So what you want to do is kind of cut out the stuff that you don't really need. Right here, she's just showing you like it's clean or whatever, or you think that's clean.
You need to try Uproot Cleaner Pro. This incredible tool is like a...
What we're actually going to do is actually delete this because it's kind of useless. We're going to delete it. It's going to go straight to showing how the product works.
You need to try Uproot Cleaner.
So there's a little thing right there where you don't want. It's a little bug. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. You can see right here.
Your home hair free. You need to try.
So I basically edit so where it says where you need it, the product shows up.
You need to try Uproot Cleaner Pro. This incredible tool is...
So the rest of this video is basically garbage for us. We're going to go ahead and delete it. And now we're going to upload a video of the product actually working. So another one right here. Separate the audio, delete the audio from that, and we're going to go ahead and find a section where the product actually works. So you see right here, this is where you wanted to show. So we're going to go ahead and delete that part, and you can see it's going to transition from the product to the product being able to actually being used.
Pro. This incredible tool is like a lint roller on steroids. No more sticky paper.
You can see right there, it's showing the product. This works really well. That's great. Now we're going to go ahead and use another clip from another customer.
And it's so satisfying to use that you'll be hooked from the first swipe. Uproot Cleaner Pro works.
So I like that the audio says you'll be hooked from the first swipe. So it basically swipes while she's saying the first swipe. How we're going to do that, we're waiting. Let me see where she says the first swipe.
Uproot Cleaner Pro works from the first swipe.
All right, so it basically needs to be cut a little bit. We're going to go ahead and cut it right here. and then we're gonna go back a little bit. It's kind of showing us a useless part. It's just showing the product not doing anything, so we're gonna go ahead and go back until we see it. Let's go back here, and then we're gonna delete this part right here, and let's see how that works.
Fine to use that you'll be hooked from the first swipe. Uproot Cleaner Pro works on any non-knitted fabric.
All right, so this product is working. We're already showing a little bit too much. We're going to cut it here, and then there's really good footage back here that it shows how crazy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll here, and we're going to split it here. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and you see the added video, we're only at 25 seconds in, but we already have a bunch of footage that we're working with.
Any non-knitted fabric, from carpets and rugs to clothes and furniture. It even works on pets.
So you can see right here, it's showing you that it's working really well. We're going to shorten it right there. And we're going to go ahead and use another video. So I have another video over here. I'm going to go ahead and import it. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put it here. And I'm going to go ahead and find the part where it's basically using the product. Like I said, there's no point in showing all this useless stuff. You basically just want to see the product. But we're going to separate the audio first. Delete his audio. All right. So let's see. Delete this.
It even works on pets. Don't let your furry friends ruin your style. Get Uproot Cleaner Pro.
So this guy's just talking. You kind of want to use a little bit of it, but you don't use a lot of it. I'm basically going to cut this off here, and we're going to show the customer when it actually works. So this guy, he's talking about pets and stuff like that. What we're going to do is actually take this part of the video, because the voiceover says something about pets, and this guy is talking about pets in his captions. So we're actually going to go ahead and use some of that. We're going to go ahead and split it here, delete this. Go ahead and delete this as well. As you can see, it kind of matches up perfectly.
Pets. Don't let your furry friends ruin your style. Get Uproot Cleaner Pro today. And the difference.
All right, so he's kind of talking a little too long. So we're going to cut it somewhere around here. And we're going to go ahead and delete the rest of this. And we're going to go back to showing off how the product works. So I'm going to go ahead and upload some videos. Cut it off right here, because that's basically where the product starts, where it shows the product
Uproot
working.
Cleaner Pro today. And
I forgot, you want to separate the audio.
Uproot Cleaner Pro today and see the difference for yourself.
All right, so after that, all right, so this is basically a good video to end the video with. The last thing we have to do is basically do our call to action, but what I want to do is actually split it right here and delete the rest. So you see right here, it's going to end with the video like this of the product working, and we're going to add a call to action. So what we want to do is add a text now. And we're going to go ahead and pick anything, to be honest, but let's just go with something not too crazy. Let's just say something like this. So we're going to go ahead and do shop now. So right now I have shop. I'm going to go ahead and add another text. Let's see how I can do that. Copy, paste. So now I have two. So all I did was basically Control C and Control V, and then shop now. That's basically our CTA right there. We could basically put it in the middle of the video, so the customer gets reminded, hey, remember, this is an advertisement, not really a video for you to enjoy. If you want this item, you better get it basically right now. So I'm going to go ahead and move this up a little bit. Not sure why he's doing that. But all right, so shop now. So that's our CTA, and you want to expand this from basically the end of the video to like a little bit before the video ends. But you can see right here, is lined up now.
Pro today and see the difference for yourself.
All right, so that's our CTA. So to review, now we have the hook, we have the customer edits, and now we have the CTA, which is called shop now. So I'm going to go ahead and export it now. You want to always do 1080p. You can name the file name whatever you want and just click export. And once this is done finishing, it's going to go ahead and download the video to your computer. You can start launching ads on Facebook ads. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the finished product right now. It's not the best video ever, but it's not the worst. That's basically all you need in order to basically sell the customer on your product.
Forget about lint rollers. They're useless, messy, and bad for the planet. But if you want something that'll actually make your home hair-free, you need to try Uproot Cleaner Pro. This incredible tool is like a lint roller on steroids. No more sticky paper, and it's so satisfying to use that you'll be hooked from the first swipe. Uproot Cleaner Pro works on any non-knitted fabric, from carpets and rugs to clothes and furniture. It even works on pets. Don't let your furry friends ruin your style. Get Uproot Cleaner Pro today and see the difference for yourself.
Alright, so once you're in the ad section and you want to upload your first ad, this is basically what I do. I go to create ad, I go to manual upload, single image or video, and then we go ahead and go down here. We're going to click add media, you want to click add video, and we're going to go ahead and add the video. So right here is basically uploading the video that we just made. Go ahead and click next. Click next. These are all fine. Click done. Now you can see this is a video right here. We're going to go ahead and put some primary text, a headline, and a description. So once the video is uploaded, you're going to go ahead and type in something for the primary text, headline, and description. So what we're going to do is, so for the primary text, I already have some text from the competitor. I'm going to paste it onto here. But the thing is, we're actually not going to run this text. We're going to go ahead and change it up a little bit. What I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it, hey, can you go ahead and rephrase this somehow? So that's exactly what we're going to do now. So I basically asked ChatGPT to rephrase it, and we're going to paste it here. And obviously this is a really long, but we're going to go ahead and basically change it up a little bit. Something like this, something like this. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this right now because this is a little bit too long for a CTA. I'm going to go ahead and just do shop now. And you can see right here, this is the website of the competitor. Obviously, we're not putting our competitor's website, put your own website there. And now for the headline, you put something simple, such as #1 lint roller. Description, free shipping available on all orders. It's just that simple right now. And now you basically run the ad. Make sure to scroll down here, go ahead and click shop now. And that's about it. So your ad now is really good. And that's really all you need for an ad. A simple ad like this is what brought me so many sales during Q4. Now the reason why this ad works is because it already has the fundamentals. Now I keep saying it, but there's obviously the hook, and we're basically showing off what the product does and the CTA. That is the fundamentals of the ad copy, and you basically want to use that to your advantage. Do not rip off your competitors' ads and just go ahead and copy theirs, because Facebook knows when you're doing that, and they're basically putting you in the same sort of bidding strategy. So what you want to do is create your own, because it brings something new to the table, and Facebook does not know whether or not you're selling the same product, because this is a completely new video. It's just chopped up and added a bunch of different things. So basically you want to do that. So yeah, whenever you go ahead and test a new product, make sure you use this strategy, and I guarantee you, you'll get good results. So if you want to see what ad video I use for the $0 to $2 million store, go ahead and join my Discord down below. I basically review the entire store, show you the ad video, the product, the interest, everything about it. If you're really interested in that and you want to see my exact ad video, just go ahead and join my Discord, and I'll see you there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a lot. And I'll basically see you guys next time. Peace.